Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the SCF app on your iPhone. Now there's always updates and all these new features coming up in the app. So they're always sending through updates, and they've changed the way in which you need to download it on your iPhone. So we're going to go over the steps on how to, but first I do want to mention if you're investing in SCF and you're investing a lot of money and you're really into this platform, I highly recommend you get an Android because iPhones are a huge headache. Sometimes the app just doesn't download one day. You have to wait the next day and try. So if you want to be able to see your funds and have access to your money, I highly recommend you just get a cheap Android. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. It just needs to be able to connect to the internet and download apps. So that is going to be the first thing I recommend. So since we already have the app downloaded on this phone, what we'll need to do is, iPhones once again does not work like Android, so we have to remove the entire app and then re-download it again and then re-import your wallet. On Androids, you can just hit update and it updates the wallet, updates the app without you having to remove the entire thing. But here with the iPhones, we have to remove the entire app. So when you get the prompt to update, just go ahead and tap later and the prompt will go away. So first things first, I want you to go into the app and then go into the official website. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy the official website's link because I don't want you to have to Google and try to find the SCF website. It's just safer and easier and better if you copy the link directly from within the app so you don't have to worry about any scams or anything like that. So once you click on the official website, it's going to send you to their official website. And then once you're in here, there's 3 dots in the top right hand corner by the X. You're going to tap on that and then it's going to pop up another little prompt and you're going to tap on copy link. Once you have that, I like to go into my notes and paste that link in there and save it for a rainy day. And then we're going to go out. And as you can see, I have the SCF app here, but we need to remove it. So we're going to go into our settings. We're going to go to general. And then we're going to scroll on down to VPN and device management. Once you're here, you are going to see something under here that says Chow Tai Fook Jewelry. Don't ask me what that means or what it is. I just know that it's SCF. So once you get that prompt, you're going to go ahead and tap delete app, delete it, and then it'll disappear. So once that disappears, if you go to your home page, you'll notice that the app will also have disappeared as well. Next, we're going to go back into our notes and click on the official website that we saved. And you want to make sure that this opens up in the Safari browser and not in Google Chrome. If you happen to use Google Chrome on your iPhone, you must download this from the Safari browser. So go ahead and click on download and a new window will open up. You're going to scroll down and click on iOS signature. Once you do this, a new web page will load and it's going to give you a bunch of different prompts when we get here. So the first pop-up is going to ask if you want to open this in iTunes. Go ahead and tap cancel. Once you close out of that, then you're going to tap on install. So after you hit install, you're going to get another prompt to hit install again. Once you get here, don't click anything. Go back to your home page of your phone and the app should have popped up and started downloading already. So once it's done downloading, you are going to go back into your web page where we were just at. And right here where it says settings, common device management, you're going to tap on that and it's going to give you another prompt. You're going to tap allow. This will then take you out of here and into your settings under the VPN and device management. And once you're in here, you're going to tap on here where it says Chow Tai Fook Jewelry. So you're going to tap on those words, and then it's going to take you to another page. And then once you're in here, you're going to tap trust child Thai folk jewelry, right, in blue. Tap that. Next, you're going to get another prompt that says trust. So you're going to tap on that, trust in red. And then after you do that, you should be set. So now you can go out of this and go back to your home page where you should see the SCF app. Everything should be good to go. You can tap on that and open it up, and then that's it. You can tap on wallet, and if you're a new user, you're going to tap on create an identity. But if you are a existing user, you're going to tap on restore identity, put your 12-word phrase in, and then you're set and ready to go. If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.